Namaste. Today I am going to explain the relationship which is pious in nature or selfless in nature within the family and outside the family, or we can say in society. The relationship of mother to son, which is purely selfless and pious. For example, I can say mother always cares about his son selflessly. Second is relationship of daughter to his father. If some crisis happen to the father or parent, then daughter rush to the father and mother, even if she is married any kind of you can say distance place, she will come back to see his father and take care of father. Then the relationship of sister to brother. The same way sister's relation with brother is selfless. She cares about his brother and like that. And one more thing, the relationship of grandson to grandfather. It is called that with the good karma of grandfather, grandson prosper. And there is a unique bond between the grandson and grandfather. Both take care of each other. In other words, you can say grandson is a principal amount of grandfather, good karma. And now the relationship of which is pious or selfless outside the family or in the society is the friendship. If a friend in true sense, he will be selfless. It is called friend in need is friend indeed. There is a saying in Ramayana, one chaupai is there, धीरज धर्म मित्र और नारी आपतकाल परख ए चारी. Means dheeraj means patience. It is tested at the time of crisis. Dharma is religion. It is also tested at the time of crisis. Mitra, friendship, is tested at the time of crisis. And that lady or wife or what you call is also tested at the time of crisis. One more thing in life, there is one more saying, even it is chaupai, is विनय न माने जलधिजर गए 3 दिन बीत बोले राम सकूप तब भय बिन होय न प्रीत. That means this is a time when Bhagwan Ramchandra was to cross the river or cross the sea to go to Lanka, and the sea is not ready to calm down, and he is just pleading that just give me way, I have to go to Lanka, but he is not listening. By requesting, it is gone 3 days. Gaye 3 din bit. Then Bole Ram Sakup Tak. Then Ram became angry and taken his bow and arrow. So then that Samudra came to Ram and pleaded that why you are trying to destroy me. And then Ram asked, what should I do, how I go? Then he told that you have two monkeys in your Sena, Neel and Nar, who has got curse from the god that if he put a stone in the water, it will not go down, it will float. So with that, that bridge was made, and Ram with his Vanar Sena goes to Lanka. So that is the model, that is the meaning, that if something is not happening by pleading, then you have to use the force. That's it. Thank you.